Okay, so in which number does 6 have the greatest value? So in which number is 6 the biggest number, okay? Now, if you look here, we have our hundreds, tens, units, decimal point, tenths, and hundredths. So remember, you start with the biggest comes from here, and then it goes smaller as you go down, okay? So here are our four options. So we want to know which six is of the greatest value. Okay, now remember, if the biggest number starts from over here, we're going to be looking for the number that is the furthest to the left. So we have 9.6. So the 0.6 there, straight after the decimal point, is a tenth. We have the 6 here. It's just before the decimal point. Just before the decimal point is a unit. We have 61.4. So I know that this is going to be a 10 in the tens column. So that is a 10. And then we have here 1.16. So it's 2 digits after the decimal point. 2 digits after the decimal point is the hundredths. Okay, so if I was to pick an answer for which has the greatest value, I would be looking at number 3, 61.4, because it is in the tens column. Okay, let's do one more example. In which number does 4 have the smallest value? Okay, so it's the same thing, except we're looking for the smallest value, which means it's going to start from this end. So we want to find the 4 that's the furthest way from the hundreds, tens, that direction going forward. Okay, so we 4.62, 141.39, 13.14, and 8.41. Okay, so if you were to look at the 4 that has the smallest value, we would be looking for number 3, which is 13.14, because the 4 is 2 digits after the decimal point, 1, 2, which is from the hundredths column. Okay, so from there, guys, you can now do for me page 64 and 65, and I'm also going to have extra work attached to complete on decimals as well.